Knock knock, this is Janice. Do you want to be anti-aging, to be younger and your skin can be better, and also to solve the wrinkles, the black eyes and the eye bags and the lines, smile lines and nasolabial folds? Okay, today I will show you my routine skin care. Okay, I show you first. You always ask me what's my product I use for skincare. First, I very simple, everything from nature. First, I use this soap to wash my face, wash my body. This is a goat oil. Okay, nothing, no chemical things. I just use this to clean my face, and then just get some rose water, and to use this face cream. I make it myself with lard, with as chocolate, and this one can solve the face problem like pimples, like acne very well because I already tested it. Okay, and after this, besides this, I do anti-aging exercise every week for twice. Okay, so I just let you know, I show you how to do the massage for your head and to do the massage on your face for the meridians, because all the problems with your organs will be reflected on your face. So you don't have to do the plastic surgery. Okay, no need, because there is so many side effects when time goes by. So by massage the meridians on your face, it's a long-term effect and no side effect. Okay, so first let's do the massage on our head. You have to have this kind of comb, sandalwood comb. Okay, and you massage it. You comb your head from the middle first, zigzag and down for 9 times in this way. 1, 2. Okay, and you do it for 9 times. And second, left part, all the exercises. If you want to do any exercises, do it from the left part, because left part of the body means yang. Okay, this part for 9 times, down to your head, and third, this part also for 9 times. Okay, and above your ear, you just comb up 1, 2, 3 for 9 times to lift up the skin. Okay, now the right part here for 9 times, zigzag. You feel really pain. You feel pain, that means a blockage with your meridians. Okay, here for 9 times. Okay, you do it yourself. Okay, now next one you have to apply the face cream more, apply more on your face. This face cream I suggest you to use. You can solve a lot of skin problems. Okay, now let's rub your hands, warm up your hands. 1, 2, 3. Okay, do it for 3 times. Okay, second, warm up, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, you do it yourself. And then we do the acupoint for on our face. First, here besides your nose, this one also can relieve your cold. You have a running nose and the blocked nose. Okay, here for 36 times, and here for 36 times you massage hard, and here massage 36 times, and under your eyeball on the edge of your bone here 36 times, and right down horizontal line here for 36 times, and here for 36 times. Okay, and next one, also use a comb to comb from the middle of your eyebrow. Okay, this part up 9 times. Okay, this part names Yin Tang Shui is very important acupoint. If the Asian people, the color of this part turns into red or black, that means severe problems. So you have to pay more attention. Okay, first in the middle for 9 times, and then the left comb up for 9 times also, and this part also 9 times. Okay, and right part 1, 2, 3 for 9 times. Here 9 times 2. Okay, and next we will use the gua sha. Okay, gua sha, just put it on your eyebrow and make a little circle and up for 9 times. Okay, and next one here, slight, because the skin here is more fragile, so do it slight in this way. Also make a circle. Okay, next one for 9 times, and on the cheekbone also lift up for 9 times, and here 1, 2, 3 for 9 times here. Okay, and next use your knuckle to cover those 2 acupoints and lift up for 9 times. And now from here also you can use a gua sha and up for 9 times. Last one, you use your knuckle to massage here the jaw line. This can make you have a perfect jawline too. Okay, and the next one here also you can use the gua sha down for 9 times. Okay, and the same with the right part of your face. And the last one in this way, 1, 2, 3. Here comes the point here, up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this way you do it for 3 times, and after you finish the right part of your face, you can feel great change, that your face is lifted up and your skin is smoother. Okay, and end up, rub your hands, warm up, and do 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Also repeat it for 3 times. Okay, if you can do it for every week for twice, after 1 month you can see great change of your skin. And also you have to, okay, one more thing, if you massage your face with the tool, you do it for twice a week, don't do it every day. If you just use your hands, fingers to massage the acupoint, that you can do it every day in the morning or in the evening before you go to sleep. Okay, just keep doing. If you want to be younger and anti-aging, just keep doing. It works very well. Okay, so any questions, you can WhatsApp me or email me, and let's help each other to make the world better. Hope you're fine.